In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ads Bluestacks. If you're using Bluestacks 5, you've probably noticed ads popping up on the home screen and in the notification area. The quickest built-in way to quiet things down is to turn off promotional notifications and disable ads during gameplay. This won't remove every promotional tile on the home screen in the free version, but it will make your experience noticeably cleaner, especially while you're playing. Start by opening BlueStacks 5 on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right and click the gear-shaped settings icon. This opens the app's control center where all the essential preferences live. From the left-hand sidebar, select Preferences. This is where BlueStacks groups options related to user experience, notifications, and privacy. In Preferences, find the option labeled Allow BlueStacks to show ads during gameplay. Toggle this switch off. Turning this off tells BlueStacks not to display promotional prompts or add overlays while you're inside a game, and it also reduces promotional notifications that can spill into your desktop notification tray. It's the simplest way to cut down the noise without changing how your apps run. It's important to set expectations here. BlueStacks offers an ad-supported free experience, so some promotional tiles and banners may still appear on the home screen. For a completely ad-free interface, BlueStacks provides a paid Prime plan. If your goal is to remove every ad placement across the emulator, upgrading to Prime is the official path. But for many people, disabling ads during gameplay and suppressing promotional pings is enough to keep sessions focused and distraction-free. After you flip the switch, restart BlueStacks so the change applies everywhere. Fully close the app rather than just minimizing it. If you see the BlueStacks icon in your system tray, right-click and exit, then relaunch BlueStacks. A clean restart helps ensure any cached ad components and notification rules are refreshed. Once you're back in, launch a game and play for a minute or two. You should notice that promotional overlays don't appear, and you shouldn't get new promotional notifications tied to gameplay. If you still see promotional elements primarily on the home screen, that's normal for the free tier. If the setting seems to revert after you restart, make sure you're running the latest BlueStacks 5 version. Updates can stabilize settings behavior. That's it. Open Settings, head to Preferences, turn off Allow BlueStacks to show ads during gameplay, then restart. Enjoy a cleaner, quieter BlueStacks experience.